100 meters below the surface, off the Washington coast, a remotely operated vehicle is deployed by APL-UW ocean engineers and physicists on a mission to recover critical moorings.
We haven't attempted this before.
Primary and backup acoustic releases had failed, so the ROV was sent in to free the moorings.
You know, we weren't sure that this was going to work.
How long is that chain?
The target was small, a single link of this mooring chain.
We wanted to get all the components back.
The moorings are part of the NANU's Northwest Enhanced Moored Observatory.
And we were going to grab it in early October, and it didn't come back until January. But when we were out there at the end of October, the releases wouldn't let go either. And that was still, at the end of October, that was the longest that they'd been deployed.
The ROV rescue mission was a challenge for pilot Tim McGinnis.
No, just go for it. It's open, it's open.
The ROV is moving back and forth because it's being buffeted by currents, and then there's cable drag. He would drive up hard against the chain, and then he'd start backing off and try to hook into it. And we finally got it.
There it is, back up.
The prime suspect in the failure of the mooring release, corrosive seawater.
So when you trigger the release to let go, then this larger hook will drop down like this and let things go. Now, what happened on both of these moorings, there's a pin that comes out of here. And it's a stainless steel pin, and if you look closely, things had fused in there. Stainless had almost fused to stainless. And so when this rotated, this didn't move, this didn't want to let go. So it just sat there.
John Nickett forecasts a redesign to deal with the corrosion issue and upgrade the release mechanism.
So there's a lot of unknowns, and we hadn't done it before, but it actually worked out really well, surprisingly well. I think we're all quite surprised at how successful it was.
There it is, back up.
Science at work for you. This is APL, the Applied Physics Laboratory at the University of Washington in Seattle.